If you've been thinking about Spring Hill, Florida, stick around, watch this video as we're coming to you from one of their newest communities and we're getting after it
right now.
Hey, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. I thought you could get all the market updates in the Tampa Bay area.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group. We get calls, texts, emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Spring Hill, Florida.
So here we are in Spring Hill, Florida, new boutique community, Valleybrook by Pulte Homes.
Correct.
For reference, we are about very close to the beaches where Weeki Wachee Springs. We're about 18 minutes from that, so you could get a boating community.
Yep, or if you want to go check out the mermaids at Weeki Wachee, you're pretty close by.
True, pretty cool little hangout. We're also just about 40 minutes from Tampa International Airport, so that's relatively close. One straight shot on the sun coast there.
Correct. So this community is going to have what everybody is asking about, and that is
no CDDs.
Yes, no CDDs. So with that, you're not going to get any amenities. So here in Valleybrook, they are just going to have a tot lot playground. HOA is going to be super low. It's going to be $124 a month, but with that, you will get your cable, high-speed internet, and I think I read 1 gig for the Wi-Fi. So that will be included in your monthly HOA fee, and that's pretty much what people are spending, if not more, right now on cable and internet. So not a bad deal at all. This community, it's going to be tiny. It's only going to have about 66 homes in it. Pulte is going to offer 5 different floor plans in here. You can get anything from a 3-bedroom all the way up to 5-bedroom. They'll have 3 one-level floor plans starting out about 1,600 square feet, and it will go all the way up to a 5-bedroom. One of their floor plans comes with a flex space that you can turn into a bedroom and make it a 5. And that one will be right at 2,800 square feet. So 2,894, just under 2,900 square feet. So you can get a decent sized house in here if needed.
So they are going to have 1-story and 2-story homes, all single family homes, no townhomes or villas or anything like that here. But we get calls like this all the time. So what's the nearest? We don't want to be right in Tampa. We want to be somewhat close. And we want to try to keep all of our fees low, like your CDDs or your HOAs, etc. So this community is going to check off a lot of boxes for a lot of people. So ready to check out some houses?
Yeah, let's go check out the Medina. It's going to be a 1-level, and right now in here, I believe she just told me that there was 8 that are going to be quick move-ins. So if you're not wanting to wait for picking out a lot, picking out a home, and doing all the designing, they are going to have some that are quick move-ins. So just reach out to us and let us know what time frame you're looking at, and we will get all that information for you. But let's go check out that model right now.
Let's do it.
So in here in Valleybrook, they do have 1 open model, and it literally just opened this week. They're experiencing some internet issues, so I've got some cable guys in there if you see some other people around that don't belong to us. So the Medina, this is one of their most popular floor plans. It's a 3-bedroom home with a flex room, and it does have 3 full bathrooms. Square footage on the Medina is 2,230, so just under 2,500 square feet. Again, their most popular floor plan. One of the rooms does have its own ensuite, so it'd be perfect for that teenager that wants some privacy, or if you had an elderly adult that wanted a bathroom located in their room. So let's go into the Medina and check it out. So as you enter, you'll notice a nice 8-foot door, giving it a nice grand appearance. Right up front to the left side, we are going to have bedroom number 1, and it is nicely sized. You can see that they've got bunk beds set up in here. You've got the nice bay window, so a lot of natural light coming through. So just off of this bedroom, you are going to find a full bath located up front. It has a shower tub combo, nice subway tile going up the walls. We've got quartz on the vanity and beautiful white shaker cabinets. Directly on the opposite side, we are going to have the laundry room where your washer and dryer are going to be housed. And we also are going to have a secondary bedroom right here. This one is perfect again as an in-law suite. As again, we do have another full bathroom here with the subway tile, shower tub combo. Again, same quartz and white shaker cabinets. And then you can also see all the different selections that they include in their homes. Coming back to the center of the home, we are going to have a very nice flex space. Does come with double solid doors, so if you needed that privacy for a work at home office, this is going to be the perfect space for you. Enough room in here if you needed to do a Murphy bed and have it as a spare guest room. This room would work perfectly for that as well. Now coming into the rest of the home, you're going to find a very nice open floor plan. We've got all this area as your living room, which is overlooking your kitchen and dining room. You notice they've done tray ceilings up here in the family room with some crown molding, so it gives it that depth. But we're talking windows and sliders on all these walls, so just a very nice, bright floor plan. We even have cabinets at the end of this huge, enormous bar, so you're going to definitely get a lot of storage use. A nicely sized pantry. You've got racks on 2 walls. Oven, microwave, stainless steel appliances, and nice tall cabinets. Tucked back here into the corner of the home, we are going to have the primary ensuite. And this is a very nicely sized bedroom. You can see that they've got a king size bed in here, some pretty wide end tables or nightstands, and you still have room on either side of them. You've got a chair over in the corner with a dresser. Definitely enough room if you wanted to put a chase or a lounger off in the corner. And then check out this beautiful, beautiful ensuite. Again, nice and bright. We've got a skylight window up there in the super shower. Nice and long, double vanity sinks. Nice little bench at one end. It's got the rain head, shower head up there on the ceiling. And you have controls for 2 different water temperatures. So definitely a perk there. Private water closet. A linen closet for your towels and comforters, and then your walk-in closet. So on the Medina, the lanai is very nicely sized. It's rather long, and as you can see, there's 2 sets of sliders, so you can come off of the family room or come off of the kitchen. The builder does not do screening, but if you wanted it screened after the fact, you could close this in. That way, keeps the bugs and the mosquitoes away. So again, this is a Medina. It is their most popular floor plan. So they are having 8 right now as quick move-ins. Again, you can get with me as far as dates of completion if you're needing to move in a certain month. Prices on the Medina are going to be in the mid 300s. So right now for about 380s with your lot, the Medina could be yours. In one of the rooms, the bedrooms, it showed a wall of their choices. So when you pick, let's just say a certain color quartz, it'll automatically come with the different tiles and the carpet and the finishes to match. So Pulte makes it really easy for you, so you don't have to go in and get stressed out at the design center. It already comes as it is. So again, this is Valleybrook, located in Spring Hill, pretty much close to everything. You'll have everything that you need close by. And if you want to go check out Weeki Wachee and the mermaids and things like that, that's only a short 18-minute drive. If you have any questions on this community, please feel free to drop us a comment below, pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us an email, or send us a text so we can help you make that smooth move to Spring Hill, Florida.